What's up, Diva fam, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously, you can tell in the title down below, we are talking about my Ipsy subscription box for this month. It is the Icon box, and if you couldn't see it from the thumbnail, it is inspired by Miss Vanessa Hudgens herself. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into this video so you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this video a big thumbs up because it helps me so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know you want to, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D. And let's just go ahead and get so this is my Icon box for the month of August. This is a box that comes out 4 times a year, so it's just kind of like how we had the Glam Bag X 4 times a year, or the BoxyCharm Luxe box. This is kind of the same thing, the same gist, if you know what I mean. In total, I believe this box was like $64. So a little bit pricey, but we do get some great stuff in this for sure. So if you get the BoxyCharm by Ipsy, this does replace that box if you decide to subscribe to this. And again, this comes out 4 times a year. So I'm excited that I am getting this right now, and let's just go ahead and jump into it. If this is your first time to my YouTube channel, hello, how are you? Love you guys to be a part of the hashtag Diva Fam. I post the videos 2-3 times a week. They are beauty, lifestyle, and makeup videos. I'm also part of a collab group here on YouTube where we do beauty makeup challenges. So that's really, really fun. I also do monthly giveaways as well. And let's just say there's a giveaway in this video. So you're going to make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end. Alright. Anyways, so like I said, this box was curated by Miss Vanessa Hudgens. Every single time there's an Icon box, it's the same thing they did before with Glam Bag X. There was a celebrity that did go ahead and curate this. I apologize. My voice is very hoarse right now at the moment. I'm a little bit underneath the weather. It has been raining and my allergies are just acting up like crazy. I wish I had a straw so I'd have to ruin my lipstick, but I'm about to. And then that's tea, a throat coat, love that stuff. Anyways, we know we love Vanessa Hudgens. She is our OG girl from Disney days, High School Musical. She's obviously done so much other stuff after that, but that's where a majority of us who grew up with her know her from. But she is our boho chic queen, especially when it comes to Coachella. But yeah, so she went ahead and curated this box with the majority of the products that she likes, and then obviously, sorry, we are able to choose from those items. So with the Icon box, 3 products were already chosen for me. I also do get the Beauty Booster, which they also include in the Icon box since I already paid for that with the other BoxyCharm box. And then I believe I got to choose like 4 more products in here. There were 2 products though that I purchased myself in addition to this, which I need to figure out where they're at in this box. Or was it just 1 item? I swear I got 2 items that I bought. It was this one. Oh, and this one. Haha, I found it. So the 2 items that I purchased separately outside of the Icon box, because you also do get the option to do add-ons, were these 2 products. So this is the e.l.f. Skin Wow Glow 30 SPF sunscreen in Sunbeam. I actually do own this already, and I love it so much. This product on its own, I believe, is like $14. I don't remember right off the bat, but I'll put it on the screen for you guys. But I still got this full-size product again. Oh my god, sorry. I was able to pick up this product again, and I only paid $3.50. I know it's way more than that because I purchased it from Ulta, and it was definitely way more than that. If I knew where my phone was, I would totally look it up. Actually, it retails for $14 and I got it for $3.50. And then I also purchased the LYS Beauty No Limits. This is the contour stick. I swear, this has been sold out on Sephora's website for God knows how long. And I tried to get it a few different times and I just could never get it. But they had it as an add-on. And originally this is $20. And I paid $12 for it. So $19.99 and I paid $12 for it. And this is in the shade Harmony No Limits. So I cannot wait to try out this contour stick or this bronzer or whatever you want to call it. It just looks so pretty and everyone raves so much. I know, was it Meredith Duxbury who like made it go viral? I think it was her. Anyways, so there is that. And so let's go ahead and check out the rest of everything that I got in this box. So, getting back into the box, I really wanted to pull up my Ipsy really quickly on my phone, and also I had a screenshot of when I got the whole entire box, so I knew exactly what the full value of this box is. So right off the bat, the Beauty Booster item that was selected for me, I could have chosen something else, but the other items to choose from weren't really that great. So the Beauty Booster item that I got is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It is a hydrating day cream with pro collagen that's in it that helps with anti-wrinkling. The value for this item itself is $138. Now, I've owned a bunch of Elemis products before, and they're great, but I feel like these prices are just a little bit outrageous. Do you guys not think that? And I know probably the ingredients make it that value, but is it truly that value when it's in these boxes because of how low cost we pay for them and how much they probably buy them in bulk? Anyways, so this is valued at $138. The next item that we have in here is the Toy Factory Toyco Ultra Setting Niacinamide Setting Powder in Translucent. That's kind of curious. So it says an Ultra Set is a high-performance niacinamide-based loose setting powder formulated with skin-first approach to setting your glam. So let me learn more about this really quickly and I did pick this item. This was an item that I got to pick. This retails for $32. This is full size, 7.29 grams. And it just says it's packed with vitamin B3 in it with niacinamide that's supposed to help with anti-caking on the setting powder, helps visibly reduce the look of pores while leaving your skin still with a silky touch. So there is that item. Okay. And then I really wish they do have prices in there, but I don't feel like going through that whole entire brochure. I have the website pulled up already anyways. So then the next item I have is the Cure Multitask Repairing Treatment by Amika. This item is an item that was picked for me. This retails for $30. It's 200 milliliters. It is a full size. It says it's just supposed to help strengthen the bonds in your hair from breaking. It's a repair treatment that is best if you have weak and damaged hair, and it will help repair the bonds within 60 seconds with a nutrient-rich formula that has omega fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals that help fortify the replenishing of thirsty strands. So there is that item. So next I have the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes mascara. So it is a dual-sided mascara, if you guys can see right here in this picture. It does have two sides to it. One is supposed to be lengthening and the other one is supposed to be like volume and curling. So yeah, volume and then curling and lengthening. They're the two different sides. I've never tried a mascara by Huda Beauty, so I'm definitely excited to try this. This was a product that was already chosen for me. This is $31, and both sides are 8.5 milliliters. So $31 on that. Then the next item that we have is the Iconic London Lip and Cheek Cream Trio. Interesting. This is an item that was chosen for me. This is $35, and it is 99.7 grams. It is full size. I'm not going to open it because I don't want to open it yet, but this is what it looks like on the inside. It's kind of like a little bit of a try of 3 different shades. It's like a corally shade, a more like maroony shade, and then more of like a, I don't know, neutral shade. It kind of looks like a more like mauve-y shade, but that is what this is. So there is that product. Then moving on from that, we have the That's My Jam Too Faced eyeshadow palette. I think I'm going too far. This is an item that I picked for myself. There were 2 different Too Faced palettes you could pick from, but this was the one I kind of more or less liked. This is $29. It is a full-size product. It is in like a really cute little tin, and then this is what it looks like. So it looks like a really fun palette to kind of like travel with. If you wanted something that had a few little neutral tones but then had some shimmers in it, I think that would be really, really cool. I really do like the packaging though, so that is really, really fun. Love that. Okay. Moving on, got 3 more products to show us. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products. 9 because the LMS was the beauty booster that I paid extra for. So if you just got the regular Icon box, you would get 8 full-size products, just like how you did before with the other ones. So just keep that in mind if you guys decide you want to get this box. Next we have something I might have already in my collection. This is an item that was picked for me. This is the Maracuja Juicy Glow Stick and Champagne Glow. Okay, no, this is something different. This is a highlighter. Okay, I didn't know that. So this is $29. It is 2 grams and it is a full-size product. I didn't know that the Maracuja line had highlighters too. I thought it was just like the lip products. So that's interesting. So let's see what this looks like. So it is a champagne product. That is very, very pretty. So we're going to go ahead and click this because I want to swatch it. That is very creamy. And that is what it looks like on your hand. So if you want something to travel with and that is small, this is very, very nice. So since I already swatched it, I'm going to take it out of the packaging. We're going to set that off to the side. That was $29. Alright, 2 more things. So an item that I picked for myself. This is the Kate Somerville KX Active Concentrate Biomimicking Peptide Serum. That's a mouthful. What the fuck? Anyways, this is worth $98. $98. Kind of crazy. This is a 1 fluid ounce. Again, it's a serum that is just supposed to help with boosting the skin barrier, helping lock in moisture into your skin, balancing it, making it look healthy, and just giving it a little bit more firmness and elasticity back into your skin is what this is supposed to do. So $98. Crazy. And last but not least, we have, where'd it go? This one. This is the Jonah Vargas skincare. So 2 skincare items in here. This item, it was picked for me. This is $85. Jesus Christ. And then it's just supposed to help nourish the skin, help support balance and a happy complex. Just in a few drops, it gives your skin a more radiant, silky, smooth looking skin. So that is what this is. And then it's just like a little bit, it's like a pump, so you guys can see in the picture there. Alright, so based on everything that I got in this box, including my add-ons, from what I remember when I first got this box, and it even said including add-ons, which I'll put right here for you guys, the total value of my box is $527. $527 is the whole value of this box. So if I was to take out the 2 products that I purchased on my own, that would probably drop the box to like $4.90, I think. So like $14 minus $20, that's $34. So that would be, so take away the 27, and then that's another $7. So $493 is really realistically the total value of this box, minus the 2 add-ons that I had. So let me know in the comments down below if this is something you guys are interested in, what your thoughts are on this box and everything that we got in here. So now that you guys have made it all the way to the end, let's go ahead and get into this month's giveaway. Alright, since you guys have made it to the end of this video, let's talk about what's going to be in this month's giveaway. I will have the details to the giveaway down below so you guys can see everything. I'm so close to 900 subscribers, I would love to do an international giveaway as well. So once I hit a tier in every single one of my like 100 subscribers, I always like to open it up to everyone. So this giveaway is going to be for my my US subscribers because there's just more in it. But obviously when I do like the bigger one, I obviously like to put good stuff in that one as well. But these 3 products are what's going to go in this month's giveaway. So right off the bat is going to be this Magic Serum from the one I just unboxed from this subscription box. This one is worth $85, which is crazy. But I think hopefully this is a really good brand. I've never heard of it myself, but if it's in the box, it has to be good, right? And then the next item I'm going to go ahead and give away is this lip duo right here. This is by Pretty Vulgar. If you guys haven't heard this brand before, it is a really, really good brand. I've owned a few items by them. So, but this is the Lovebirds Pretty Vulgar matte lipstick and lip gloss. So it is this like red shade, and it is a clear lip gloss that goes right on top of it. So a matte lipstick and a clear gloss that will get paired together. And then you will also be getting this eyeshadow palette right here. This is by Beauty Bakery. This is the Proof in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. So this is what the packaging looks like. Super cute, super fun and fresh. And then this is what the palette looks like on the inside. Very neutral, but I mean anyone could use this and pull this off. It's not anything that's like crazy in colors. But if this is your vibe, it's my vibe too at the same time, but I would love to give this away to one of you guys. So my giveaways are super simple and easy. Make sure you guys read the description box down below, but basically you just have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. You just have to comment on this video, whether if there's a question down below, there might be a secret emoji you might have to leave, I don't know, we'll see. And then that's pretty much it, just being subscribed to my YouTube channel and leaving a comment on this video. Please make sure that your privacy settings are set to open so that I can like see them, or that you don't have it blocked so that I can't see that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, my nose is running again. It's been happening this whole entire video. But anyways, so super simple and easy. If you guys want to follow me on my socials, you're more than happy to do that. Sometimes I do extra entries, but again, make sure you guys read down below in the description box. So anyways, without further ado, that is the end of this video. I love you guys so much for being here, and I appreciate you guys for stopping by. Again, let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought about these items. And if you guys want to enter in this giveaway, make sure you guys subscribe to this YouTube channel. Again, this will be for US only, but if I hit 900 subscribers by this video or after this video, there will be another giveaway going in right after it as well. And yes, it will be opened up to international for that giveaway. I have shipped so many things all over the world. It is crazy. But again, I love you guys, and I just love the community that we have on here, especially with a lot of you girls that are so sweet and so kind and so nice, that I have talked to over on Instagram, off of YouTube, that follow me over there on my socials. So again, you guys are amazing, and I appreciate you guys every single day. Again, this is just a hobby for me, but I enjoy doing makeup. I enjoy doing stuff like this for you guys, and appreciating and always giving back. So again, love you guys so much. Also, if you're wondering about the makeup on my face, it will be coming up in a future video, so you don't want to miss that. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video, but without further ado, you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this video, big thumbs up because it helps me so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know you want to, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Senior D, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!